Dear Professors Shindo, Xiong, Liu, and Yang, dear members and guests of the Asia QFD Association. My name is Georg Herzwurm. I'm the co-founder of the QFD Institute Deutschland and Professor for Information Systems at University of Stuttgart in Germany. First of all, I would like to emphasize that it fills me with pride to be given the opportunity to send the Asia QFD Association my warmest congratulations on its 5th anniversary. It is fantastic to see how outstandingly QFD has spread and developed in Asia during this time. I'm convinced that the Asia QFD Association will continue to play its part in helping many industries to achieve economic success through satisfied customers. The latest developments in information technology will play a major role in this. In my short presentation, I would like to show that the increasing spreading of software will lead to far-reaching changes in business models in all industries, and therefore also brings new challenges and opportunities for QFD. Mark Anderson, who is co-author of Mosaic, the first widely used web browser, as well as co-founder of Netscape, drastically put it this way a few years ago. He said, "Software is eating the world in all sectors. In the future, every company will become a software company." So software has been an integral part of modern production and business for many years. By employing emerging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, the door to the digital world is now opening for more tangible goods. Increasing digitization not only means that products and services are increasingly software-based, digitization also leads to some radical innovations of business models. I would like to illustrate the possibilities and challenges of digitalization of formerly purely physical products using a small example, a toothbrush. I was inspired by a blog posted by Michael Vakulenko from 2016. At first glance, a toothbrush doesn't look like a high-tech product with a great potential for digitalization and innovative business models. But that is not true. I will show you how QFD can play an important role in unlocking the full potential of digitalization. In the first step, it is obvious to digitize the toothbrush itself. Mechanics are replaced or supplemented by electronics because software is cheaper to produce and easier to distribute. In addition, the toothbrush should be connected to a mobile phone via Bluetooth or internet. Then, for example, you may be able to store individual profiles of the family with the preferred settings for cleaning teeth. QFD can support engineers to understand customer needs and provide the most appropriate digital solutions. QFD can also help to identify new useful features for the digital toothbrush that a physical toothbrush does not have. But not only the toothbrush itself, but also the way it is produced could be digitized. The manufacturer could open the interface to the digital toothbrush and thus offer external companies the opportunity to offer their own apps for the toothbrush. For example, Disney is offering a magic timer app for children. Brushing your teeth while chasing evil monsters? A toothbrush attachment, including a free app, makes it possible. With Playbrush, for example, children should finally have fun brushing their teeth. In this way, outside companies help to make your own toothbrush more attractive without the toothbrush manufacturer incurring any costs. Digitization can also increase the efficiency of the production process, e.g. by using 3D printers. QFD can prevent these changes from being at the expense of customer satisfaction. QFD recognizes whether technical solutions actually contribute to the satisfaction of a customer need. Despite the enormous potential of digitalization of products and production processes, it is only an incremental innovation from the business perspective. In the end, the company still earns its money by selling toothbrushes. New services offer more far-reaching possibilities for transforming the business model. With the help of toothbrush sensors and apps, it's possible to determine how long, how often, and how thoroughly a user brushes his teeth. The information is very important for a dental insurance provider. He could offer his policyholders a discount on the premium if the customer can prove that he takes good care of his teeth, because then the risk of illness is reduced. This allows the dental insurance company to differentiate itself from the competition, and the toothbrush manufacturer gains a new source of revenue, namely the sale of data. Many experts say that data is the new oil of the economy. In the future, selling data may even become more important to the toothbrush manufacturer than selling the toothbrush itself. The task of QFD is not only to fulfill the known customer needs as efficiently as possible, but furthermore to understand the customer so well that a new and surprising solution can be offered to increase customer value. The last step is to establish a digitalized toothbrush ecosystem by building a technical platform that integrates customers, complementors, and producers. On the basis of a smart home platform, suppliers can offer complementary digital products or services for the toothbrush and thus expand the range of services offered by the toothbrush provider. We are familiar with such platforms of the software business from Apple or Microsoft, for example, where not only complementors but also competitors offer their services at the same platform. This form of cooperation and competition is also known as co-opetition. While products win through features, platforms win through communities. The goal must be to attract and retain customers through an attractive, comprehensive platform. This requires a deep understanding of the customer, which must be captured and implemented across the company, and also integrating the partner companies. QFD can gather this information from various sources and partners and help to turn customers into fans. The most common mistake made by companies in digitalization is to go to market with technical solutions without knowing the real needs of the customer. Apple founder Steve Jobs already recognized that the path must actually be a different one. Only a comprehensive understanding of the customer and the true reasons for the emergence of quality ultimately lead to customers being willing to pay for services and committing themselves to a provider or a platform for the long term. This corresponds exactly to the approach and the spirit of QFD. Digital products and digital services open the door for a new QFD approach called data-driven QFD. The voice of the customer is becoming digital. Customer data when using the product can be evaluated, and customer behavior can be better understood and predicted. And this information will be included in the QFD. With new digital products and services, neither the customer requirements nor the technical solutions are known from the start. They are also changing rapidly during development. Therefore, QFD will also have to become agile as we know it from software development. So we have agile QFD. Software can change during the development and also after delivery. In addition, development cycles are rapidly shortening. Web-based and cloud applications are very often updated several times a day. With a continuous QFD approach, all QFD artifacts are changed incrementally and continuously as long as the product is on the market. Last but not least, QFD will no longer be used only for the development of products and services, but also for the renewal of business models. In 2019, we started to enhance the ISO 16355 series with a new Part 7 called Guidelines for Developing Digitalized Products and Services with me as a project leader. We hope that we can deliver a first draft in 2021. I hope I could show that the future of QFD is digital. QFD is an important partner for companies in digitalization. QFD can help to keep the most important things in all technical innovations in mind, the customer. The worldwide QFD community must work on this goal, just as we know it from the economy, in competition, and with international cooperation. I wish the Asia QFD Association all the best for the future in doing so. And I say thank you for listening and stay healthy.